Hello everyone, welcome back to Seven Sense Talent Solution. Today we are going to look at Tata Elxsi off-campus drive for 2021 batch students and how to apply for this opportunity. Before we get started, for the latest job opportunity, please subscribe our Telegram channel which is given in the description and also our YouTube channel. And if you like our YouTube videos, please press that like button and don't forget to share the video. Now let us see something about the company first. Tata Elxsi is amongst the world leading design and technology service provider across industries including automotive, broadcast, communication, healthcare, and transportation. Tata Elxsi is helping customers to reimagine their products and services through design thinking and application of digital technology such as Internet of Things, cloud, mobility, virtual reality, and artificial intelligence. Tata Elxsi commenced its business on 5th May 1989 in Bangalore to develop and promote applications of electronics, embedded systems, and software. The mission was to foster innovation in the fast emerging IT market and accelerate the adoption of leading edge technologies. Tata Elxsi brings together the best technology and user centric designs, expertise to help customers deliver innovative solutions and great consumer experience. Okay, this is about the company. Now let us see something about the eligibility criteria. Coming to the eligible branches, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA students can apply for this opportunity. You have a minimum of 60% in 10th and 12th and a CGPA of minimum of 6.0 in your graduation, and there should be no active backlogs, and they are looking for a 2021 batch fresher. Only 2021 students are eligible for applying for this opportunity. Moving on, coming to the job role, they are looking for an engineer who can work in the field of application development or embedded development or scripting. It depends on you in which field you want to work. Okay, it depends on you. You can. Coming to the job location, there are multiple job location, including Bangalore, Chennai, Trivandrum, Pune. It depends on the vacancy also, and the salary will be around rupees 3.5 LPA. Coming to the skills desired in a candidate, you should be able to think creatively. You must understand complex mathematical analysis for design and troubleshooting. Engineers work to develop new solutions to problems, so you should have the problem solving skill and ability to identify the source of problem and test the solutions. You should be a great team player, and also you should have a good communication skill. These are some of the skills. Coming to the job responsibilities, as an engineer, I should be able to prepare plans with detailed drawing that include project specification and cost estimates, design and execute engineering experiments to create workable solutions, develop engineering calculation diagrams and technical reports, complete required technical and regulatory documents, ensure projects are complete on time and within the specified budget, present analysis results and project solution to technical leads, senior leaders, and clients as necessary. Okay, these are your responsibility as an engineer. Going on, coming to the rounds of selection, you will have three rounds. Written in the first round, written or online test, MCQ questions will be given on the base of analytical and logical reasoning. Verbal and technical questions will be given with a time limit of 90 minutes, and 90 questions will be provided for you. It will be a moderate round. Coming to the next interview process, that is the second round, where the technical interview will be taken for you, where there's questions like C, C++, Java, or EDC networks, a microprocessor or microcontroller, questions on based on your resume. This sort of questions you can expect in this round. It will be a tough round, so be prepared. Coming to the last round, that is the HR round, where your personal details, your communication skills, it will be a regular HR round. It will be a easy round. Moving on, here are some of the sample questions for your reference. What you can expect in the technical interview round, that is the second round. Like mention what are the essential components of embedded systems, what does TMA address will deal with, what are the real-time embedded systems, what is the finite element method, what is the method of weighted residuals, that is Glarkin's method, what is the difference between global and local access, what are H&P version of finite element method, what is shell script, can you name some of its advantages, what is GUI scripting. Okay, these are some of the questions for your reference that they may ask in the technical interview. It also depends on the field you have chosen. Moving on now, coming to the important details, to apply for this drive, last date will be 8th July 2021, and the test date will be conducted on 14th to 16th July 2021, and the location will be virtual online. And how to apply for this drive? A registration link will be given in the description. This sort of. Please check out that. Please click on it. I'll show you how to you can apply for this opportunity. Okay guys, after clicking on the registration link that is given in the description, you will be taken to this website where you can see the details that I told you before. Eligible criteria is given. BTech student from the branch of electronics, communication, telecommunication, CS or IT, electrical and electronics and instrumentation. Coming to the ME/MTech student, IT or CS, embedded, VSLI design, electrical and electronics, digital electronics, automobile, power system. Okay, coming to the MCA. Students can also apply for this opportunity, a minimum of 60%. Okay, if you want to apply for this opportunity, please come down and enter your college name, which college you are studying. Coming to the second question, choose your degree, what you have done. You are a BTech student or ME/MTech student or MCA student. After that, please choose your branch, which branch are you from, and please press on next button, and it will be taken to the next page where you need to enter your personal details. Please enter your Aadhaar card number, date of birth, email address, gender, and which field you want to work with. Like I told you before, there are three different options for you guys to choose. Like you have application development, embedded development, and scripting field. If you are interested in any one of the field, please select it here. You can also choose two different field, that is application development and also along with the embedded development. There will be a test given for you guys on coming to the application development role. This will be given on 14/7/2021, and for embedded development it's on 15th. For scripting it's on 16th. So make sure that if you are interested in any one of the role, please select it. Please enter your contact details, contact address. Okay, after you entered your personal details, you'll be taken to the next one, that is the educational details. You need to enter your percentage in 10, percentage in 10, 12th or diploma, a percentage in your BTech or ME/MTech. Okay, year of joining, year of passing, your number of backlogs. If you have any active backlogs, please enter the number of backlogs you have. After entering all the information, please click on next button. After education details, they are gonna ask your technical skills. Please enter the skills that you have learned. Okay, please enter it here. After that one, your response will be submitted. Okay guys, that was it. If you have any queries, please comment down in the comment section. We will try to help you out. And one more thing I would like to add up is that we have a different placement opportunities in our portal. Please check it out. The link will be shared in the description, where we have a company specific test training. Also, you will get a minimum of 50 placement opportunities. Please check out that. Thank you guys. Signing off.